Welcome back to my channel, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and in this video I will be sharing an amazing tea to start your morning. So firstly guys, you need some rosemary, okay, and some ginger, which we're gonna put in a pot and we're gonna allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Okay guys, this amazing rosemary and ginger tea will help you to reduce your anxiety, boost your mood, improve concentration and your memory. It is also high in antioxidant and it can help you to lower your blood sugar. This tea may also protect your vision and your eye health. This is an amazing tea to stop your long overnight fast. What it does guys, it charges up your metabolism, okay guys, and it also helps prevent nausea.